Hey guys, it's your real estate agent Courtney-Ann Wallace, and we are here at my open house at Vineyard Reserve, where we have 50 units for sale. So it's 5 floors, 10 units per floor. Now I know some of you might be missing out right now, so I'll give you a few specs. The apartment is 980 square feet. We have 1 bedroom, 2 bathroom apartments with the option to convert into a 2-bedroom apartment. Now, if you guys are curious about some of the amenities, we're gonna have a rooftop pool and gym. We're gonna have a convenience store. We have elevator access from the parking lot, as well as 24-hour security. So if you guys are watching this and you're interested in making an appointment, contact me at 876-465-8811.
Alright, we'll start somewhere. I'll look for some soup coffee. Hold up.
So first, what do you know scoring? It's pretty one, right? Normally it's the corridor. And it's the same on each floor. So the corridors are big. You don't want either. Plus the upstairs of the elevator, stairs, it's 2 towers actually. It's 2 towers. And you have the north wing and the south wing. Right? But this here is like a medium. So they're gonna keep this open, but then they use paneling or whatever. You know the metal panels that keep the rain out when it gets weekly. So we can step in and look at the unit. Here you have kitchen area, and I'm going to carry up maybe 2 more to show you the views because it depends on the floor. Kitchen area, bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, and then you have a guest bathroom, so this is the second bathroom, and here is where part of the great section. Right? And then over here is where you would have one. But this would be the living room.
Better than me. Say it again.
Remember to leave your name with here.
I'm going to put it right here, yeah?
Ocean, that side is really more of a city, and this side is mountain and ocean, and here is mostly ocean. Depending on the, I just tell you, because the apartment is cluster.
What is so nice?
980 square feet in total, so it's not very pretty spacious. You get your window in the bathroom, as you see, and you get your windows in the house. Have a rooftop pool and gym upstairs. Yeah. You have rooftop pool and gym at the top. You have, you know what a garbage is there. No, I am videoing you, you know. Okay, ready. Tiffany still dancing. Okay. Hey, catch them. Alright guys, Tiffany Dunkley, which is one of our fresher, newer, beautiful agents. So Tiffany has been assisting me with the open house today. Tiffany, what are your honest thoughts on the development, and also comment on what it's been like so far?
Well, I think What is?
3 favorite features. One, the double access points. 2, the convenience store. And 3, the large hallway, which will let in.
Oh right, the corridors are super large.
And because there are 10 units per floor, it will not seem so cramped. I must say that the traffic today has been pretty consistent. We have a lot of clients.
Exhibit A.
We have a lot of clients coming in, a lot of young people who are interested in development. So I must say that I indeed believe it will be very lucrative for us going forward.
And then in terms of the amenities, so we're offering, you know, rooftop pool and gym. We're offering a convenience store, 24-hour security, catchment system. Compared to other developments in the areas, as a realtor, what are your thoughts on that?
Compared to other developments in the area, I think what they're offering is pretty amazing, especially for the price. It's just $35 million. And if you want a beautiful view, then we will go up to the 36.
And what are some of the views that you know, we're offering here?
The views that we're offering is a beautiful ocean view. You can also have a city view and a view of the mountain.
The mountain.
Not only on that side of Kingston, but also on that side.
Okay, thank you, Tiffany.
Welcome, Courtney.